Hello, my name is Kelly, and in this video we're going to be learning Everlong by the Foo Fighters. Now, you need to be in drop D for this, so your low E string is going to be tuned down to a D, and the other strings are going to be as standard, so get prepared with the tuning. Right, so let's get started by having a look at what's the main riff of the whole song, which is played during the intro and the verses. So this is the part we're going to be learning here. Okay, so let's take a closer look at exactly what's going on here. So we've got this very precise rhythm we're going to want to learn here, and we're going to be either playing the low string or a chord above it, a 5 chord above it. Now, this is the rhythm we're going to be playing. So we're alternating between that low string, which at the moment is open, and the chord above it. Okay, so we're going to change chord now, but the rhythm's going to stay the same. So all I need to do here now is take my first finger, bar it across now on the 9th fret on the low string and on the A string. So we're still just playing that single note on the low string, but I've got my finger barred across that A string so I can get that 5 chord at the top of it. So this is what we're playing here, same rhythm as we did before. Okay, so now we're going to change up the rhythm, and we're also changing chords. So we're moving down here with the lowest note's going to be on the 5th fret. And again, we're barring in the same way we did with the last chord that we just learned. With the chord, the 5 chord is on the A and the D string, and we're going to be pedaling from that low string. And this is the rhythm we're playing here. Okay, and again. Now on that last hit, you want to slide up. So we're sliding back to the 9th fret to this chord we already looked at. And on that chord, we're playing the same rhythm, we just repeat it twice.